Also has What's up, everyone? Welcome back to TeamKLoWhat Reviews.
In today's video, we have an amazing product from who, Alex?
Brio.
In our previous videos, we actually showcasing electric toothbrushes.
Yeah, the Oral-B. You can check out that video right there.
And then Brio has been very kind to send us this product for us to take a look at it and kind of
dissect it.
I was gonna say taste it, but it's actually tested. Alex, tell us a little bit about this guy.
This is the Smart Clean Premium Sonic Toothbrush. It has 2 minutes, so you're supposed to spend 30 seconds at the bottom, top, right, left.
Whoa.
So
I don't time that.
this does.
Oh, so it does it for you.
Yeah, so it's supposed to be 2 minutes. So those 2 minutes, you're supposed to spend 30 seconds. One thing though that I hate when people brush their teeth with this is like they think that they're using a regular toothbrush and they're doing this. You're supposed to place it there and just slightly move it around.
Guilty.
What? Are you serious?
Yes.
No! It has 31,000 brush oscillations per minute. That means that the way it vibrates, it's like you're putting 31,000 brushes.
Oh, and on the cavity or whatever you have.
So if you do this, you're not.
You only
So
get like
basically,
2,000
you may be getting
oscillations.
You like
100.
500. So all you do, you put, we'll go through it, and then you just basically place it there, and then you move it around slightly. You don't do this like if you're brushing your teeth. So it comes with the toothbrush, the charging base, 3 brush heads.
Wow! The last one that we checked only had, I believe, 2 brush heads.
Yeah,
The Smart Timer 2 minutes, optimized bristles. The Smart Clean bristles are made from DuPont fiber and optimized to be strong enough to clean but gentle on your gums and enamel. Massager, as we mentioned.
Yes.
So it'll create the tiny bubbles that push fluids between your teeth in places a manual toothbrush can't clean.
Let's take a look inside.
The box, very nice.
I have to say,
Very
this box, Brio, beautiful.
Beautiful.
I mean, it's not just smart clean, the box itself, it's really,
Yes.
really packed.
Yeah.
In a nice way. By the way, Brio has been generous enough to give us a link, affiliate link. If you're interested in buying the product, go ahead and check out the link down below. It won't cost you anything extra, but it will help out. First of all, I feel like I am unboxing a phone.
Yes,
this
very
is
nice.
so neat. I love this little thing right here. Here we go.
Whoa, wow, that's really nice.
It's beautiful. First of all, you know that one of our TeamKLoWhat colors was what? Orange. Okay, here is the base. The brains of the operations is right here. We have a nice little charging. What? This is USB?
Oh, it has a power bank in there. Okay,
That
good.
is really neat. And of course, the 3 brush heads. Okay, so I think these 2 are probably like a little bit tougher, but we'll put it out to the test. And of course, as I mentioned, the instruction manual right here. That's it.
So we have a Smart Clean,
Yeah.
a Pro Clean, and an X Clean. I don't know what it means. Apparently, maybe one is like soft, medium, and hard.
Yes. So the good thing about when you're using these toothbrush is, as I mentioned before, the fact that you can just set it
And forget it. The way this looks, I mean, it's comfortable. So this thing has actually 4 functions when you use it. When you're turning it on, it has a clean function there. It has a white, then it has a polish, massage, and sensitive. So it has
Wow.
4 different functions on it.
Okay, clean, whiten your teeth, polish. Well, I need that right now.
Yeah, so if you have, so let's
And
say
a
you're,
massage. And look, it feels different too.
Yeah.
That's something that I haven't seen in other toothbrush.
so whenever you buy the toothpaste, you say, you know, let's say for example your teeth are yellow. You have a setting that you're gonna just brush to kind of whiten. So it'll try to do it to whiten your teeth. Maybe another one your gums are actually
I have a sensitive side.
And you're bleeding your gums. Some people suffer from bleeding on the gums. You have to massage them so that now your gums stay strong and you can stop the bleeding, that kind of thing. And also, you know, depending on the brush that you can use, I think it's really, really nice.
Right now, we got ourselves some toothpaste.
So let's go to the bathroom and use this baby to see how it feels. All right, guys. So we're here in the bathroom. Well, Alex is in the bathroom. We don't fit, so I'm gonna have to stay outside. And he's gonna test out
different settings. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the first one, which is brush.
How does it feel? Second setting, white now. Okay, let's try the next one. This is what? This is the polish. Is it strong?
It takes some time to get used to it, okay? It tingles a little bit.
All right, and the last one?
The massage. Okay.
All right, Alex, so tell me about your experience with the Brio Smart Clean Toothbrush.
First of all, hands down, I love an electric toothbrush. I've been using it already for like over 5 years. Second, I thought these little things were gonna be like a little gimmicky, but it turns out that each one has a different feel and vibration. So when you are cleaning, it goes into some particular vibration, different than when you're massaging the gums. So I thought it was gonna be like, yeah, you know, probably it's just gonna be like different speeds. It isn't just different speeds. In reality, it's in the way that it even moves the toothbrush. So I have to say it's pretty good.
And what about the hole? Because I know it has two little sections on each side.
Yeah, I think like it's, it has like a nice little grip. It's much better. It feels more comfortable to hold it in the grip up here. And it also has... And like I mentioned before, I think that the fact that it has these different modes is a top for me. Okay, so let's talk about price.
What's the price, Alex? Give me the price on this.
The price of this is $69.99.
That's a pretty good price for what it is with the 3 brush heads.
Yes.
And the device itself.
The device itself is really nice. I love the color. You know, you could get a second one, but I feel like every company offers something a little different, and I haven't seen one that does these 3 things for me, and I think they're all important. Oral things.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this.
Yeah, I've seen most companies that have that. They actually have, you know, speeds, slow, medium, and fast, right? And not necessarily specific to what you want. So let's go down to the nitty gritty. What do you think about the product?
Bust? For me, it's a buy. I will buy it. First of all, thank you, because you know that I was in the market for a new one. So what we're going to do for you is I'm going to try this for a couple of days and maybe a couple of weeks, and we'll give an update so that you guys know how I feel about it. I'm going to try out all 3 different toothbrushes, even though probably should just use one. I'm not sure how much the costs of the toothbrushes are. You can find out on their website. Like I said, we're gonna leave a link down below. Feel free to check it out. I think it's a great buy. First of all, it's packed like it's
like a cell phone. Again, we want to thank Brio for sending us this Smart Clean Premium Sonic Toothbrush. Thank you so much, and leave us a comment below if you've actually used this or any other product. If you're interested in this, we're also going to leave a link so you can buy it directly from Brio, and if you do, it'll actually help the channel, and we will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Also,
don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these awesome videos.
We'll brush you on the next one.
TeamKLoWhat review.